Hi everyone, welcome back to Crypto Basics. In today's video, we will be learning how to download and install Safepal application on your iOS device. To download the Safepal app, first of all go ahead and open up your App Store from your iOS device. Soon after you do that, go to the search box at the top and type in Safepal. Once you search for Safepal, go ahead and look for this application with this particular logo over here, and then tap on the Get or the Install button to download the application on your device. Once your application's download process has started, wait for a couple of minutes and the application will be installed on your device. Safepal is a comprehensive cryptocurrency wallet platform that offers both hardware and software solutions, allowing users to securely store, manage, and trade their digital assets. It features a user-friendly interface, making it suitable for both beginners and experienced users, and supports a wide variety of cryptocurrencies and blockchain networks. After waiting for a couple of minutes, you should be able to install the Safepal application right on your iOS device. After it is done with the installation, tap on the Open button to launch Open Safepal application. So that's how you easily download and install Safepal on your iOS device. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.